After days of thick smoke in sections of Montego Bay St. James, the fire at the section of the retirement landfill is now under control. One councillor is, however, challenging aspects of the information put forward by the waste management authorities. Kerry-Ann Simpson has details.
It has been a week since the retirement landfill has been on fire. Despite periods of heavy showers, the fire, which started on April 4, continued to blaze. Rain softened soil also prevented trucks from fully accessing the area. Several communities were blanketed by smoke for days, but by Friday, smoke was mainly seen over the landfill. Regional Director for WPM Waste Management Limited, Jermaine Jones, gave this update at the recent meeting of the St. James Municipal Corporation.
We're about between 35 to 45% coverage after approximately 1 acre that was in smoke, and as of today we are down to about 25% of what the smoke that was initially there estimated.
I heard him, gentleman, talking about 25% covered or to covered. I would say 100% leave to be covered. We must find Mayor, find a way to remove the dump from retirement, because this era is coming on extreme pressure from a retirement dump. You know what caused the dump, Mayor? The fire? Every time we have a fire at the retirement dump is in the festive season. So people have a lot of festivity in the town with pan chicken and all those things. When they finish at night, they put the garbage with the fire and the truck pick it up and take it to retirement dump.
Councillor for the Granville Division, Michael Troop, says he will be working to bring the National Solid Waste Management Authority before the courts. Mr. Jones had this response.
Now, our teams, especially our night teams, they are advised to look through whatever waste is being collected to ensure that this is not done. However, not saying that anything may not be able to escape, and that's why we take the extra care in terms of ensuring that we do once-a-year trading, especially as it relates to safety, customer relations, etc., with our teams to ensure that they're properly educated on these matters.
Kerry-Ann Simpson, TVJ News.